Hello, guys. Welcome to episode 6. As you know, I have posted this on my shorts with music because I was in a loud environment and I didn't want to have any background noise. So I'm just really doing this quickly because I already know everything, how I want it to be and how I want it to look like. So instead of taking like a long time to figure out the editing setup that I want to do for this photo, I'm just really quickly doing it so you guys don't lose, your focus. And I know I've noticed that like in the long form videos that I do where I take my time to edit, you guys don't really like it as much as when I post it as quick, like on shorts. But since I've already posted this on shorts, I'm making this a long form episode for you so I can go more in depth on how I edited this. And now this photo is very much well done, really well. I love how the background of it is blurred, and I'm just checking it back and forth because I want to have contrast on the leaves, on the petals, sorry, of the flower, because when I took this photo initially it was overexposed and the petals of the flower looked very flat with no like nothing to it, no definition, nothing. So what I'm basically doing, sorry, with this photo is I'm trying to get shadows on those petals so it looks better. And honestly, I think I've done it. I did the editing really quick on this video, on this photo, sorry. And therefore, this photo was pretty much perfect. The only thing I had to do was focus on the leaves, and I think I have done what I've wanted to do. As you can tell, I'm done with the editing. I'm just telling you guys about the final touches. As you can see, when you look at the leaves, there's some shadows in between the folded petals, and the way the center of the flowers where the butterflies and bees pollinate, it looks really in focus, and I really like that. I adore this photo, not just because of the way that it came out, but also because it's really nice. Like it's not easy to have a blurred photo from the back, like making the background look a bit like blurry, hazy, and having your landscape photo, or as we call it, floresta, which is like photographers that take pictures of flowers. But I am versatile. I take photos of street photography to portraits to landscape to seascapes and wildlife and all that type of stuff, because I want to be the type of photographer where I can focus on many categories in photography and have more job opportunities to work for big companies and brands